Basically, what you've got is organizations around the United States using software that they're comfortable with. You know, you got a Microsoft Exchange server right there in your building. You've had it for the last 10 years. You don't even think about it anymore. And now there's backdoors that are in it, you know, as a result of other third party pieces of software being inserted in the supply chain that have been corrupted. If you think about all of the different things in your organization, it's not just the software that you're purchasing and using, but it's also the people that the software is contracted with on their end while they're building it. So there's a lot of different things to really take into consideration. And I think the easiest way to do that is to get into your firewall, like log into your firewall and actually look at the different patterns that you're seeing coming across. And so when you introduce a new piece of software or you've done a new update, look to see if your patterns are still the same. If you see an anomaly there, then you need to go investigate that and check into it.